Welcome to Natural England's Marine Conservation Advice Project series of videos.
Welcome to this instructive video outlining Natural England's process for setting bird abundance targets within the Supplementary Advice, or SACOs. Natural England follows a three-step process to set bird population abundance attribute targets. The following principles summarise this three-step process: establishing baseline abundance, assessing changes over time, and setting attribute targets. As an example, the Medway Estuary and Marshes SPA formal package has a non-breeding population abundance target for avocet to maintain at a level above 70 individuals. SPAs are classified according to the number of birds held by the site. Each SPA has been selected by comparing numbers on a site with the relevant wider population total. For example, little egret is a feature of the Morecambe Bay and Duddon Estuary SPA because, on average, it holds 134 individuals. This was compared to the national total population, and Morecambe Bay and Duddon Estuary SPA supports 3% of all little egrets in Great Britain. Numbers change over time, and this is considered in target setting. Step 1 is establishing the baseline value, and this is the value against which change is measured. Usually this value is taken from the citation, but there are exceptions. An example is where numbers have increased to a new stable level, or where understanding of the data has changed over time. Here is the citation for the ex-estuary SPA, showing an average of 5,300 dunlins were using the site when the SPA was classified. Our baseline target is therefore 5,300. Step 2 looks at change over time. The data used to classify the ex-estuary SPA date from 1985-86 to 1989-90, meaning plenty of time has elapsed for numbers to have changed. We use monitoring data such as that from the Wetland Bird Survey, or WEBS, to assess this. The example shows a trend generated from WEBS data indicating an apparent decline over time. However, numbers can fluctuate for reasons not related to management of the SPA. We have three available methods to quantify the decline against what might be considered background variation in numbers. The first of these is known as the WEBS alerts approach, which uses a model to plot a trend. The second follows common standards monitoring advice and is called known natural fluctuation. The third is also from common standards monitoring advice and is known as the generic threshold approach. Step 3 is to set the objective for the site. Once we have calculated the change in abundance, we have to decide whether the objective for the site is to maintain abundance at current levels or to restore abundance of the species in question to baseline levels. These targets then inform site action and casework. In future, this decision will be informed by a formal condition assessment of the site, including consideration of the state of attributes underpinning bird abundance. To recap, this is a three-step process: setting the baseline, looking at change over time, and then setting the target for the site.
Thank you for watching our videos. We hope you found them informative. If you have any comments, feedback, or require any further information, then contact the project mailbox.